Good day, everyone. My name is Jenly D. Mori, a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student, and today I want to talk about something that affects all of us: mental health. Mental health is not just a personal issue, it is a global concern. According to the World Health Organization, around 1 in 8 people worldwide live with a mental health condition. That means millions of individuals are silently struggling every day. But this issue is not only happening globally, it is happening around us, in our schools, in our communities, and even within our own families. In the Philippines, many young people experience stress, anxiety, and depression due to the academic pressure, financial challenges, and social expectations. Yet, despite this reality, mental health is still often misunderstood or ignored. Many are afraid to speak up because they fear being judged or not taken seriously. So, who is affected? Everyone. Students, workers, parents, friends. Mental health does not choose age, gender, or status. And why does it matter? Because mental health affects how we think, feel, and act. It influences our decisions, our relationships, and our ability to live a meaningful life. But here's the truth: struggling does not make you weak, it makes you human. We need to start changing the way we view mental health. Instead of silence, we choose conversation. Instead of judgment, we choose understanding. And instead of ignoring the problem, we take action. You need to be an expert to help. Sometimes simply listening can save a life. A simple "Are you okay?" can make a big difference. And if you are the one struggling, remember this: you are not alone. And it is okay to ask for help. Let us act locally by supporting our friends, classmates, and community members. Let us create safe spaces where people feel heard and valued. And as part of the global community, let us continue to raise awareness and break the stigma surrounding mental health. Because at the end of the day, mental health is just as important as physical health. So today, I challenge each one of you to be kind, be aware, and be brave enough to speak up. Together, we can make a difference. One conversation, one action, and one life at a time. Thank you.